Nurses at MountainView Hospital, they are protesting today after learning that they could face layoffs in the middle of the pandemic. But the hospital says that its hands are tied. And 13 Action News anchor Marissa Kinniston spoke to nurses who aren't just worried about themselves.
Earlier this morning, dozens and dozens of nurses were out here lining the sidewalks behind me right in front of MountainView Hospital, all of them concerned about the future of their jobs.
We have nurses who are coming to work every day having a panic attack before they come on shift, because they know that no matter how hard they work, it won't be enough.
The COVID-19 pandemic taking a toll on nurses across the valley.
I think stressful would be an understatement. Disheartening and draining are also words that come to mind.
Now, many are concerned about the future of their jobs. Today, dozens of nurses at MountainView Hospital protesting, saying they're facing mass pay cuts and even layoffs, and they're concerned it could put patients in danger.
When there are not nurses in the hospital to take care of the patients suffer.
I talked with MountainView Hospital. Administrators say they've seen a decrease in patients since the pandemic started, so their parent company, HCA, is making budget cuts across the board. They say they asked nurses and hospital staff to forego their annual pay increase this year. When they refused, the hospital said they'd have to make pay cuts and layoffs. Nurses here say they want the hospital to make them a priority since they're risking their health.
We do not care about anything they have to say. We want action. We want them to show us that they care about these patients as much as we do, because we are sacrificing everything to be here.
Administrators at MountainView Hospital did give me a statement. They say at a time when hospitals across the country are struggling to survive, it's disappointing that the National Nurses United would demand an increase in pay. Marissa Kinniston, 13 Action News.